Good day everyone, so welcome to MM103 Marketing Research. So my name is Crystal Faith A. Lau, LPT. You can call me Miss K or Mom K. I'll be your instructor for this subject. So MM103 or Marketing Research. So this course deals with the study of the planning, collection, and analysis of data relevant to marketing decision making and communicating the results of this analysis to the management. It further deals with the function with the consumer, customer, and public to the marketer through information that is used to identify and define marketing opportunities and problems. And it will generate and evaluate marketing actions, also monitor marketing performance, and improve understanding of marketing as a process. So our final requirement for this subject, we will be making a market research paper. So the grading system for this particular subject, actually this is applicable sa lahat pa ng subjects ang grading system. So attendance 5%, participation 10%, quiz 25%, and the 60% is coming from your examination. So after discussing all the lesson from week 1 to week 17, the course outcome of this subject is we will be discussing the essence of marketing research. We will be distinguishing different ways of collecting and analyzing data relevant for decision making and results communication, and use marketing research to identify and define marketing opportunities. And lastly, we will be creating a marketing research. Today and also bukas, we will be discussing the week 1 and 2 kasi we haven't had our lesson last week. So, dalawang week yung i-discuss natin, the week 1 and 2. So first is the introduction of marketing research. Then pangalawa, the scientific research approach and problem definition. So what is market research? So market research is a critical part of such marketing decision making. It also helps improve management decision making by providing relevant, accurate, and timely information. Every decision possesses unique needs sa mga information, and relevant strategies can be developed based on the information gathered through marketing research in action. Too often, marketing research is considered siya narrowly as the gathering and also analyzing of data for someone else to use. So, to better understand market research class, market research is isa na siya ka method na nagakollect og customer insights to understand whether ang isa ka bag-o nga product will work well with a target market or unsa nga type of changes na pwede buhaton to a feature to make it more adaptable sa tuang market. Assuming all these factors may lead to business losses for an organization. Due to this, it is preferable mangod to have a market research in place before nato i-launch ang atoang bag-o nga product or services or adding a new feature sa atoang mga existing na mga produkto. A market research plan will be rewarding only when accurate questions are asked to the target customers nato. Market research is one of the best forms of interaction with our right target audience, and it can be implemented to improve customer experiences in turn para ma-boost ang atoang profit. So the need for marketing research. To summarize this discussion class, conducting research manggod is one of the best ways of achieving customer satisfaction. As what we are focusing here sa the need for marketing research, problem identification research, and problem solving research. So, conducting research is one of the best ways of achieving customer satisfaction and even reducing the customer churn and elevating our business. Here are some reasons nganong kailangan nato ang market research and why is it important and should be considered in any businesses. First, kay tungod naa siya'y valuable nga information. Ngano kaya naay valuable nga information? Kay tungod naga-provide siya og information and even opportunities about the value of our existing and even our new products. Pero class, it also help us in our business plan and even magkaroon og strategy sa tuang businesses. Then we also have customer centric. It helps to determine what the customers need and want. Marketing is customer centric and understanding the customers and also sa ilahang mga pangangailangan will help businesses design products or services that best suit our customers. Then also, conducting research is important kay naadara ang forecasting. So, with this, by understanding the needs of our customers, businesses can also forecast their production and also their sales. So, market research also helps in determining optimum inventory stock. So, maiwasan na to ang pagkaroon og out of stock sa to ang products. Then, competitive advantage. So, if we say competitive advantage, it is to stay ahead of our competitors sa market. So, with this, market research is vital tool siya to carry out comparative na mga studies. So, businesses can devise business strategies that can help them stay ahead of their competitors. Then, understanding market research. So, the purpose of market research. Diba class, as what I have said kanina sa definition, market research is defined as the process of evaluating the feasibility of a new product or service or even an existing product that can be innovated. So, through research conducted directly with our potential consumers or our customers, so with that, we can evaluate the feasibility of our new products and services. This method allows organizations or businesses to discover their target market, even collect and document their opinions and make informed na mga decisions. So, market research here class can be conducted directly by an organizations or even companies or can be outsourced to agencies which have expertise sa market research. The process of market research can be done through first deploying surveys, second interacting with a group of people, also known as our sample, or even conducting interviews and other similar processes na ato ang i-discuss later on. Class, the primary purpose of conducting market research is to understand or examine the market associated with a particular na product or service. So, to decide how the audience will interact sa tuang products or service. So, the information nga makuha nato from conducting this market research, pwede sa nato gamiton to tailor the marketing or advertising activities or para ma-determine nato what are the feature or priority or even service requirements sa tuang mga consumers. So, the development of market research, mao ni siya kung ganiingon kaganiha nga mga part or process of market research kauban sa deploying surveys, interacting with group of people na mas kilala nato sa tawag ng mga sample, even conducting interviews. So these are the mga other similar na processes. Now we have the face-to-face interviews, the phone research, and online market research. But later on, I will elaborate the online market research na aspect. So in one-to-one interviews, this market research example is one of the oldest and even popular forms of conducting market research. So they are a systematic, then it also have a questions na prepared na much before the day sa sa one-on-one interview. And also this type of interview manggod could is one of the most effective na makagain og mga desired na mga feedbacks from your participants ani nga kind of interview. So they are usually considered to be focus groups but with a single person at a time. So these interviews can be conducted anytime, even anywhere, and also recorded siya for analyzing content in the future. So one-on-one interviews or face-to-face interviews are sources for receiving mga unfiltered and even impartial information from each of the respondents. So, as the interviews can see the respondents, he or she can observe the body language, the confidence levels, and other factors before drawing conclusions about sa inyong market research. If he is lying ba or not, makita ninyo kung honest ba siya or dili sa iyahang pagtubag sa inyong mga questions. Then we also have the phone research or phone surveys. Phone surveys are traditionally used as an extension siya sa tuang focus group or even sa tuang face-to-face na interviews. So, they are conducted when the feedback received from the other two sources, like what I have said sa focus group and sa face-to-face interviews, needs to be verified. So, this is done by calling a considerable amount of customers or consumers and by collecting opinions and reviews about a product or service. So, this kind of data will influential or very influential in accommodating improvements in products or services. Then we also have the online market research. Actually, separate pa jud nako ni siya ang online market research, no? So under ani niya, we have the online polls and surveys, and we also have the social media research kay mao naman siya mostly ginagamit sa millennials. So sa online polls and surveys, this is conducting online polls and surveys na have become the most widely used type of market research na karon, no? So the gauge of opinions from a target audience is through collecting from the online na mga platforms. So they are an extremely cost-effective medium of connecting with an audience and getting opinions or even their feedbacks about a critical topic sa isa ka produkto ba, isa ba ka organization, or even sa services na ilahang gina-provide, and understanding whether a particular market is suitable ba for a target audience or whether ang isa ka feature kailangan og update. And also diri asad na type of survey class, they will also know if mo succeed ba ang ilahang mga updates sa ilahang mga products or services na pangbuhaton sa ilahang kumpanya. And even opinions about other such topics can be collected sa agad-agad. We also have the social media research. So this market research example has become exponentially popular as a convenient alternative atong gidiscuss kaganiya nga focus group or sa online interviews. So marketers now prefer posting on Facebook or even sa Instagram or unsa pa ba ng mga platforms like karon ang pinaka patok karon sa mga online platforms is the TikTok or sa mga survey questionnaires kay using the Google Forms. So in using this online platforms, the researchers can quickly get the opinions of the consumers or customers about the products or services. Okay, then with that, if it can get the opinion quickly, then the products can launch or can update their features in kanang agad-agad dayon. Then conducting an online poll on Facebook or Instagram will be a prompt medium to get valuable insights from the right targets and even sa ilahang audiences. Okay, to end this discussion, I just want to emphasize something on ngano kaya kailangan nato ang market research, or why does every business need a market research. So market research is one of the most effective ways to gain insight into your customer base and even sa mga competitors and the overall market. So the goal of conducting market research is to equip your company with the information you need to make informed decisions. It is especially important when small businesses are trying to determine whether a new business idea is viable ba, or looking to move into a new market ba, or even launching a new product or services. So I think that is all for today. If you have questions and clarifications, you may start asking now. So thank you so much and God bless you all.